Welcome to the latest edition of the display showroom. In today's episode we're going to feature a brand new range of Vector retail light boxes. Now within the range we have four potential profiles. We have a 75mm profile which will be used to fix directly onto the wall, so a wall mounting solution. We have three variations in terms of the freestanding which you see here. So we have a 100mm profile, 125 and 150mm profile. Each of the sizes are available in three standard configurations, so 2m by 1m, 2x2 and 3m by 2m. But the fantastic feature is we can also produce this to any custom size required. Now the product itself will be supplied flat packed, very simple to build. So each extrusion will connect together with a corner bracket. We have edge lit LEDs which are at the top and the base of the frame, which are simply just plug and play. And then we obviously add our feet if it's freestanding or fixed to the wall. It's going to be a wall mounted solution. And the graphic is a UV print, so you get great vibrancy. And it just has an SEG channel which just pushes simply into the channel. So fantastic addition for any retail situation, showroom, reception area. Anywhere we're going to bring a image to life to create great vibrancy and draw attention to the product or the brand that you are promoting. in stock and available now. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.